Hello everybody. Today we're going to take a look at Hertz line of products for all fitments between 2013 and 2026. I'm going to tell you what the differences are, and we're going to get this rocking and rolling. So if you want to know about Hertz SPL products, this is the video for you. Inside this Harley-Davidson, we're using a Hertz SPL show. This is a 4.900. This sits in the fairing. Obviously, it sits in this space here. We'd put this in any maker model. This fitment is perfect for this bike. If you order it online, we could tune it for you and send it to you. Moving on to the fairing speakers here, we got the Hertz 6.5 fairing speakers. They're already installed. You can see right here. They're paired with the original head unit of this Harley, and the Hertz SPL Show series is a plug-and-play solution for you to really get that loud, vibrant sound. At speeds over 70 miles an hour, you're still going to hear your stereo clearly. These are the cut-in lid kits. Really nice, done right, and these things scream. Now we're going to hook up and we're going to give this bike a listen so you can hear what the final product sounds like. So if you're looking for something like this, you got any questions, you're already on the website, www.stereoinstalls.com. Go ahead, give us a call at 440-525-2001 or stop on out to our showroom where we can install a stereo system like this for you. 7471 Tyler Boulevard in beautiful Mentor, Ohio. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.